Hello, mathematicians. Today we're going to be doing Unit 2, Module 1, Session 5, Base 10 Riddles. Our learning target, I can fluently subtract with minuends to 12 using models and mental strategies. Today you will learn a new workplace. Afterward, you will do some work with hundreds, tens, and ones with riddles. Then you will do some more workplaces if there's time. So let's learn a new workplace, the subtraction wheel. What do you notice? This is a game that will help you with your practicing your subtraction facts. Players will take turns drawing number cards and using the numbers to complete a set of facts on a subtraction wheel. The first player to complete the set of facts on the subtraction wheel wins the round with a score of 0. The other player adds up the numbers left on the wheel to get a score. Players play 3 rounds and add up their scores. The player with the lower score wins. So you will each need a record sheet. You can print one off, or you can use the virtual link, and you'll need a deck of cards. You're going to take turns drawing a card from the deck. You will need to write the number you drew in the correct spot on the record sheet to equal the answer to a subtraction equation. For example, if I drew a 3, 10 minus 3 would be 7. I would find the 7 on the wheel and write my 3 next to it. We'll continue drawing cards until there are none left. If you filled in your whole wheel, you get a score of 0, and that round is over. If you have some blank spots left, your score is the number of spots. Play 2 more rounds and total your scores. Lowest score wins. Have fun! Hit pause and then come back. All right, take a look here. I have 10 cubes, which is equal to 1 strip. For this, you're going to need a whiteboard, dry erase marker, and an eraser. I'm going to show you some groups of Unifix cubes like this, and we are going to work together to fill in the chart on the board like we did yesterday. However, we're not using Unifix cubes this time. We are going to be using our base 10 models. We're also going to be making a chart such as this, but we are going to be drawing on the chart to represent our numbers. So we will draw lines to represent our tens, dots to represent our ones. Here I have 3 tens and 5 ones for 35. Take a look at this one. What could you draw on your whiteboard to represent this number? Did you draw 5 tens and 5 ones equaling 58? You would be correct. 5 lines and 5 dots. Try this one. Did you draw 1 10 and 3 ones? Great job. Now I'd like you to show me on your board 15. Super. Can you show me 24? Nice. Can you show me 38? Fantastic. Show me 50. Super. Show me 49. You got it. Show me 65. You're on a roll. Show me 83. Super job. Take a look at my model here. Here I have a mat, a strip, and some units. What do you think they mean? How big is this mat compared to one of the strips? That's right. 10 of those yellow strips would fit on that red mat. How many of those green units would fit on the mat? This takes a little more thinking. Can you count them? Do we have to count every square? Yeah, if we know that there are 10 strips and we know that there are 10 greens to each yellow, then we can count by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So there are 100 of those green units in this mat. Good job. Take a look here at my mat. Can anyone tell me how many I have all together? If you said I have 100, 2 tens, and 3 ones, you are correct. And I would draw this as 1 square, 2 lines, and 3 dots, equaling 123. Super. Can you show me 110? Can you show me 115? Let's check. Did you show me 1 square, 1 line, and 5 dots? Super. Can you show me 135? Let's check. Does yours look like this? Fantastic. Show me 200. Yeah, it's 2 of those mats, or 2 squares. Good job. Can you show me 199? Nice job. Can you show me 210? You got it. We have 2 hundreds, 1, 10, 0, 1s, 210. Show me 300. 3 hundreds, 0 tens, 0 ones equals 300. Great job. Give yourself a pat on the back. All right, you're going to need your whiteboard, dry erase marker, and eraser. There is the digital link for you to be able to use the base 10 blocks online. You'll have to check with your teacher for that. We're going to be working in our student books on page 16. So get your student book out and turn to page 16. We're going to do some Who Am I base 10 riddles. So I have 2 tens and 5 ones. Who am I? You can draw this on your whiteboard. You can use your base 10 models. 2 tens and 5 ones. If you got 25, you are correct. I have 30 ones and 100. This one's a little trickier. I have 30 ones and 100. So I'm going to draw that square for 100, and 30 ones is the same as 3 tens, making it 230. Did you get that? Make sure you write those on your sheet. You're going to go ahead and complete 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then if you finish, try doing some of the challenge problems. 9 through 15 are challenge ones. When you're complete, if you have time, you can do workplaces. Bye-bye.